was gonna shower before the tour today, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna wash it. I don't know, I'm feeling anxious just sitting here, and I don't know, I'm feeling weird.
And I don't know, I'm just kind of torn because it is the last night and I don't know. That look on your face, is that fire that you feel for me? 'Cause your words don't match the feeling. Paint a picture. So I am at the farm that I spent my very first night of van life at, and I wanted to spend my last one at it as well. It's kind of buggy because it's muggy, and I don't know, part of me is like, okay, this is nice, but like I kind of want to just drive and get some more hours under my belt so I can have a calmer morning tomorrow morning, rather than like quickly getting up and needing to leave and get out to go film. I don't know, it's a weird like feeling, because if this wasn't the last night, I would get up and leave now and just keep driving. I'm just kind of torn because it is the last night and it feels like I should be reminiscing. I don't know. I feel like maybe it's not necessary. And what is van life without changing your plans? That's the most van life thing ever, probably.
Okay, it's official. I am gonna head out and go to a Cracker Barrel 2 hours south, because why? I don't know. I'm feeling anxious just sitting here, and I can't really hang out outside because I would just like be eaten by bugs or attacked by bugs. And there's already like a few bugs in the van just from opening the door. And it's just a little bit different than I remember, but I'm like glad I came, but I'm also like not, I don't think I'm gonna regret leaving. Like, it was cool to stop by. I don't know.
Paint a picture for me. 'Cause all I see are shades of gray. Show me what your eyes are seeing.
We ran out of food, so Tripp got a nice turkey breakfast. Was that yummy? Your last breakfast on the road? Gourmet. My last teeth brushing. My last brushing of my teeth in the van. This stuff is wild. Gotta document it, you know? Okay, time to wash the face. Okay, things that won't happen in a normal house. Bloobs. I really thought I would have eaten more of these by now, but I didn't. So, leftovers out of the van. Oh, I love this man over there. Is just with his coffee cup walking around the parking lot. Looks like me. Friends. I got a strawberry vanilla yogurt, and I really don't know how I'm going to feel about it. Usually I get plain and I put peanut butter in it. Actually, I get vanilla. I don't get plain because plain is like so bitter. Should Gypsies to grab a coffee cup. Not my favorite, but it works. How do I look? My filming outfit. Florida fall. I never do dishes in the morning, but because I'm about to be filmed and my sink's gonna be filmed, that would be really embarrassing if I had dishes in it. So, you know, first time for everything. Usually all my dishes are done at night. Otherwise they're just sitting on the counter and then I have to drive, and what am I supposed to do with that? Nothing. But I think this is my last van dish. Foot pump thing. I mean, honestly, probably not my last one, but my last one living in it. I have a feeling I'll be back in the van in like a month. Just not full time. Crazy. I can't believe it's been 3 months since I've been home. It like doesn't feel like that long at all. Like it literally feels like a lifetime ago that I left. Kind of weird. I thought it was gonna take forever for this day to get here. Wrong. Wrong. I also like low-key the other day was like, okay, I understand that I wash my dishes with soap and water, but the foot pump makes it not powerful, and then I'm scrubbing with like not warm water, and I was like, are my dishes like ever really clean? And part of me thinks before I even put all this stuff in storage, I need to literally just put everything in the dishwasher, even if I haven't used it in like a year. Like, who knows? And that is on things I can do in the van and things that I don't do in real life. I like it more like tidy and like clean. I was gonna shower before the tour today, but I was like, nah, my hair is good. Like, it's not as greasy as I thought it was gonna be sleeping in like the humid Florida weather. It's fine. Also, I live in a van, so I feel like they have to understand that, you know? That's a lot of dirty clothes. But yeah, have to be even more dirty clothes. I don't know how it's gonna fit, but here we go to try. Ooh. It's hot. Okay. Redo. Alright. Let's take this out. Here we go. Okay. We're just gonna pretend this is clean for now. Sweater. Hi, baby. Should I brush my hair now? Perfect. Not greasy. Love to see it. Gonna put it up for now. Pre-video. Okay, I got a fuzzy. Alright, I'm out of breath from that dirty clothes. Gosh, it's heavy. I don't think I'm out of shape. Maybe I am. I hate how this doesn't fit on right now because it's humid.
Sweating. Can't see far. Shit. We're gonna make it this hard. This dark, dreary sky day. Okay, I'm gonna pull over because I don't know why I'm talking while driving. Okay, we are on our way to go film with Tiny Home Tours. I am very excited. It's a little muggy and hot outside, so that's gonna be interesting with just dealing with the heat because we know I don't like that. So tired last night. I literally got here, made my spaghetti, even though I wasn't feeling like it. I was like, this is my last time making spaghetti in the van, so I have to. So I made it and then went to bed. I am gonna drive to the Tiny Home Tours, and I have a 3-hour drive after that, and we will be home out of the van. This is crazy. You have no idea what's coming, huh? No? You have no idea. Enjoy your little seat, okay? I literally just ate my last piece of gum, and that feels like really ironic. I didn't purposely save one more piece of gum for today. Perfect timing! It's all aligned. This like cute little drive-through coffee shop, and I was like, I have to go. Like, this is my last coffee on the road. This is my last time going through a drive-through coffee shop on the road. So I got a cold brew with sweet foam and cold foam and sweet cream. I never get a fancy coffee, so this is really exciting. I feel like I've been saying that for the last month and everything's a last, so I'm like, I must get a last. And I got Tripp a Pup Cup, so he's gonna enjoy that now. Ooh. Okay, I just got my last gas and I'm gonna eat my Nutella toast now. Another thing I like just don't get. Like, I'm just like, ooh, treat myself. I'm not even the biggest Nutella fan, but yum. That's why I got this. Oh, good.
Only when we get just a little bit of distance, just a little distance between us. Oh. Still living in the past, you know I'm a broken record for nostalgia. I'm a broken record for nostalgia.
Alright, this is it. I just stopped at my last gas station. I had to pee, and so I was like, I'm just gonna go stop. I have an hour and a half left. The time keeps going up, so I basically have 25 minutes past it to make it home for the sunrise, or the sunrise, woo, the sunset. So I'm excited to see if well, I'm very hopeful that that's gonna work out, but I was just going to the bathroom and then there was this dog and she looked really hot, tied to a bush, and I was just really worried, but she has tags and everything. So I went inside and asked them, like, please keep an eye on her. They brought her water. I was like, if no one is here later, like, please bring her inside or call someone, because things like that make me so worried. But she has like a collar, and someone came by and was like, I saw someone who looked like her owner with her earlier, like 10 minutes ago, but she just disappeared. So I'm just hoping it's like when I leave Tripp outside sometimes to go in somewhere. I just don't know. You never know, but like I can't take a dog with a collar right now. Also, I just can't have another dog right now. But Oh my gosh, stop. The owner came back and is untying the dog, and that's very exciting because I was like super concerned. But okay, an hour and a half. I think I'm just delaying because I know when this car ride is over, it's like the end, and I'm like, beep. Okay, this is it. It's all gonna be okay. It's gonna be better than I can ever imagine.
Distance between us, oh, still living in the past. You know I'm a broken record for nostalgia. I'm a broken record for nostalgia. I'm a broken record for nostalgia.
Wow. This looks different, huh, buddy? Huh? Looks different, huh? There's no walls. Wow. Those survived. Okay. Duck. Oh my god, the beach. Entirely different. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Who is that? Who is that? Yes, baby! Hi! I know, this is so crazy! Oh my mom, thank you. Appreciate it. Tripp is already cashing in on the house incentives. It's crazy, there are just no stairs. This is insane. I like can't believe this is it. Like literally almost 2.5 years ago to date, on November 20th, in 9 days, it will be 2.5 years of this lifestyle. And this lifestyle is now over, and I don't know. I just feel at peace right now. Like this is where I'm supposed to be in this moment. And who knows, in 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, where I'll be. That's kind of exciting, isn't it? So I'm gonna end this video here. Welcome to my new life.